how was the activity for you? Did you manage to get the solution for all those who did it for the first time? Was it challenging? Did any of you think that this is not possible? How can I do this with just 4 lines and not raise my hand? And those lines have to be straight. Well, let me show you how it's done. Come, have a look at this. First line. Second line. Third line. Fourth line, and we are done. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Is this even right? Is this correct? Is it allowed? You've gone out of the box. You've gone out of the 9 dots. That's precisely the point, my dear friends. Oftentimes, we get stuck with just one kind of thinking, and then we're not able to find solutions to our problems. The real shift happens when we start thinking out of the box. And that's what today's session is about. You know, we need to change our perspectives, our beliefs. We often ask questions like, how can we include them? How is it possible? Won't this take away time? It will slow down our work. Will they even be able to deliver? We have many questions. Like I said in the beginning of these sessions, before asking why, I ask why not? Why don't I try it out? It's these beliefs, these perspectives that keep us from taking those bold steps. And that's what today's session is about, thinking out of the box. So today's session is about eliminating barriers and revisiting or looking closely at our core beliefs about inclusion. There are 2 types of barriers: visible barriers and invisible barriers. The visible barriers are the ones that we see around us. For example, if somebody wants to access a building and that person is a wheelchair user, if there is no ramp, the person can't get to the building. The person can't even get inside the building. So that's like a visible barrier that we all see. But there are invisible barriers that sometimes become more debilitating. So these barriers are barriers of the attitude that people have towards people who are different. Today's session is about this. It's about looking closely at barriers and finding out what are the barriers around us. Am I becoming a barrier towards inclusion in my own community, in my own ecosystem, in my own workplace? And can I change that? Of course I can. If I change my attitudes, if I change my perspective, a lot can change and inclusion can become a reality.